Friends, today we will discuss about the evolution. Evolution is the sequence of gradual changes which take place in the primitive organism over millions of years, and new species are produced. Since the evolution is of living organisms, so it is called the organic evolution. Variation in population. We can an example about the variation in population. 12 red beetles live in a green leafy bushes, grow by sexual reproduction and generate variation. First situation. We will discuss here three situations. In the first situation, crows eat these beetles, leaving only fewer beetles available for the reproduction. Due to color variation, during reproduction, one green beetle evolved and thereafter all its progeny beetle become green. Crows cannot see green colored beetle on green leaves and hence cannot eat them, resulting more green beetle than red one in the beetle population. This type of variation gives a survival advantage. There were the red beetle and green beetle. On the leaves, green cannot see, but red beetle was clearly visible, and crows eat all of the red beetles and green beetles get the survival advantage. Situation 2. Due to color variation, during reproduction, a blue color beetle appear. Due to the blue color beetle appear and all its progeny beetle become blue. Crows can see both red and blue beetle and therefore eat them. Initially, there are less number of blue beetles and more of the red beetles. Then an elephant stomp on the bushes and kill most of the beetles. By chance, few beetles that survived were mostly blue. Thus, the blue beetles slowly expand. There is no survival advantage on these variations and provides diversity without adaptation. The situation with two, there were the red beetle and the blue beetle. Both were survived by the sexual reproduction and increasing their species, but suddenly an elephant stumped his foot on the blue beetle and due to by situation and after some time blue beetle expanded. There was no survival advantage on this variation but provide the diversity without adaptation. In the third situation, as the beetle population begins to expand, the bushes suffer from a disease and amount of the leaf available for the beetle have reduced. Thus, beetle are poorly nourished and average weight of an adult beetle has decreased. After few years, the plant disease is eliminated and enough food is available for the beetle. Thus, the beetle have come back to its normal size and weight. This change is not inherited over the generation because the disease was in the bushes, not in the beetles.